Hello student, this is Rimpa and welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, we are going to learn about how to find out the angle between two vectors. So first, we will see the theoretical approach and then we will do the application. So without any further ado, let's get into the lesson. To find out the angle between two vectors, we need to know about dot product. If you don't know what dot product is, then go and check out my previous video. Link will be in the description box. Well, so dot product, as per the definition, if the two vectors are A and B, and if we do the dot product, then the formula says magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta, where theta is the angle between these two vectors. Suppose this is A vector and this is B vector, then this angle will be theta. Okay. So if we just transform this magnitude of A and magnitude of B in the left side, then we will get cos theta is equals to A dot B upon magnitude of A and magnitude of B. Then simply we can define or determine the angle theta is equals to cos inverse of A dot B upon A into B. That means magnitude of A into magnitude of B. It's not cross, it's simple multiplication. Okay, so that is the theoretical approach. Now we'll do the application. For the application part, I have taken two vectors. First one is A vector, that is 2i plus 3j minus 4k, and second one is B vector, that is I plus 2j plus k. Well, for this I have to say it must contain this vector sign, and all this ij k should contain k. Well, I don't have this option in my keyboard, so just I have to skip this cap, but it must have the cap when you will write in the exam or somewhere else, because they are unit vectors along x, y and z axis respectively. So it must contain these caps. Now for the math, first we find out the magnitude of A, magnitude of B, and then A dot B. So the magnitude of A will be square of all this coefficient, that means 2 square it is 4, 3 square is equals to 9, and 4 square is equals to minus of 4 square is equals to plus 16. So the final would be 29. Now for B, modulus of B, it would be root over of 1 square, that is 1, 2 square is equals to 4, and 1 square is equals to 1. So it is root over of 6. So we have find out magnitude of A and magnitude of B. Now we will find out A dot B. So the dot product will be 2 into 1, that is 2. 3 into 2 is equals to 6, and minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. So it is 2 plus 6 equals to 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. If you don't understand how do I find out dot product, then please go and check out the link in the description box. Now it's time to find out the angle. So we have find the magnitude of A, magnitude of B, and 4. Now let's move to, I am just clearing the board. Here is the formula. The formula says cos theta. So I can write cos theta is equals to A dot B, we get 4 there, and for modulus of A we get 29, and modulus of B we get we get 6. So here theta will be, as the value we have got here, it is not some value that we know. So here in this case we'll write cos inverse 4 upon, if you do the multiplication it will be 4 nines are 6, sorry, 4 nines are 4, and 5 will be carry over, 6 into 2 12, 12 plus 17. So it will be 174. So that is the answer of the angle between these two vectors. Now let's take another example. Okay, now for the next example, it is A is equals to I plus J and B is equals to J plus K. So the modulus of A will be root 2 and modulus of B will be root 2, right? Now for A dot B, it will be 1 because the coefficient for not coefficient for I dot I there is no I, so it is b0, and there is no k, so k's value is 0, so there is only one, that is j dot j is equals to 1. Now here I can write that cos theta is equals to 1 upon root 2 into root 2, so that is 1 upon 2, that is half. So I can write that theta is equals to 60 degree. As this value half is known to us, the cos value of half, cos 60 degree is equals to half, so I can write theta is equals to 60 degree. Okay, now as it is clear, then there will be a home task is for you, and you have to comment the answer in the comment section. So this is your home task, and you have to find out the angle between two vectors, that is theta. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep growing.